Hello, and welcome to Bleak's Nature. I am your host, Hans Bleak. Today, deer, also known as venison when we eat them. Here you can see 4 of the doe deers behind me. They feel safe in the rain. It's cold and it's the only miserable time that they are allowed to eat without being afraid of being hunted. And here you see them doing something that you wouldn't normally see a deer do, which is his do. They flee away and they get afraid, and that is their nature. It's my nature to hunt and eat them and kill them if I need to. Fortunately, because of Burger King and McDonald's and all that is in America where I live, I can just go and pick up a cheap piece of meat on my own, but other times in history I would have had to hunt that deer down and skin it alive. This has been another edition of Bleak's Nature with your host, Hans Bleak, which is me.